Hey Angelers, wondering if those promo codes you see for Fishing Planet are legit? Let's break it down so you can score real rewards without getting scammed. First tip, stick to official source. Fishing Planet promo codes are occasionally released by the game's developers on their official website or social media pages like Twitter and Facebook. If you are getting codes from other random sites, be curious. Watch out for sites promoting tons of free gear or unlimited in-game cash. Those codes are often fake and can even put your account at risk. Real codes from Fishing Planet usually offer smaller bonuses like gear or bait, not unlimited resources. When you have a legitimate code, redeem it directly in the game's shop under redeem code. That way, you know you are using a trusted method to claim your reward. So, yes, Fishing Planet promo codes can be legit, but only from reliable sources. Avoid scams and keep reeling in those rewards. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tips.